Let's make chicken drumstick curry. We need chicken drumsticks, cream, yogurt, lemon juice, tomato puree, onions, ginger garlic paste, cloves, cinnamon stick, cardamom, bay leaves, green chilies, Kashmiri chili powder, black pepper, coriander powder, turmeric powder, cumin seeds and garam masala. Now we will marinate our drumsticks by adding lemon juice. Add Kashmiri chili powder and turmeric. Mix well. Add salt. Let it rest for 20 minutes. Now we will fry our chicken. In a pan, add oil. Now we will saute our whole spices. Add onions. Add fenugreek seeds. Now add ginger garlic paste. Add tomato puree. Let it cook until the oil is floating above. Now we will add our remaining spices. Mix well. Add yogurt. Mix well. Now we will add our drumsticks. Let it cook for few minutes. Add water. Add green chilies. Let it cook for 30 minutes. Add cream. Add coriander leaves. Now our chicken drumstick curry is ready to serve.